Good morning, this is DJ Lillers, and this is for all you voters out there. Today we're taking calls to see how you plan on voting for this upcoming election. And we have our first caller, and this is Michael from LA. What's up, Michael?
Hey, Lillards.
So, Michael, who do you plan on voting for?
Definitely Alyssa. She's all about the people. Alyssa, wait.
Alyssa Deakins? I agree. Thanks for your call, Michael. And we have a next caller. This is Bankhead from South Detroit. So tell me, Bankhead, who are you voting for?
Well, I'm voting for Alyssa. She's down with the peace party. Peace is up. Peace party. Vote for Alyssa. Let's go.
Well, these people know what they're talking about. Alyssa keeps the peace. Thanks for your call, Bankhead. All right, and we have Karen from the Valley. What's up, Karen?
Hey Lillers, what's up?
Nothing much. It's going good. So who do you plan on voting for?
Well, here in the Valley we go for Alyssa because she's for the people.
And we have another call who remains anonymous.
Yeah, I'm gonna vote for Angela.
Oops, we seem to have lost the call. Don't worry, he didn't even know what he was talking about.